So this is me, I'm Josh. So for today's video guys, dito tayo sa MSI Concept Store SM Ecoran, Davao City. So currently guys, marami tayong available na laptop dito like gaming laptop, office laptop, for engineering for school laptop. Recap, puntahan natin dito ko sa ang mga available na laptop. So for office use guys, we have model 13, 14, and 15. So it means 14 inch. Ang pinakagamay na mga inch is 13 inch. Morning si MSI Summit AI Evo ang amo ang bago na model karon. Tag 73,995 lang ni siya guys. So naka 1 terabyte na siya. In SSD 1 terabyte, naka 16 gig na ang iyahang RAM. So pwede niyo na siya i-avail via home credit installment. Just bring one valid ID and good news for our existing customers. Pwede nang walang down payment, zero down payment, zero interest up to 18 months. And we have here a team para sa mga gamers kung gusto nyo mag-games, pang editing, engineering, AutoCAD. Ito si Pin, may Ryzen 7, may Intel i7, i5, and Ryzen 5 available tayo here at SM Ecoran Annex Building, MSI Concept Store, Davao, 2nd floor. At meron din tayo yung mga sideboard na model. Sideboard, i5, may sideboard na naka 50 series. Meron tayong sideboard naka 50 series na siya. Itong Core 7 at saka si Core 5. So may i5, may i7, naka 50 series na. Ang pinaka high-end na to is si Victor. We have Victor model here. Naka 16 gig and 1 terabyte na siya. So mauni ang naong ni Victor. Ano siya, pero katanap na siya ng laptop. Available ko na siya guys. So that's all for today's video. Hope you like and share MSI Concept Store SM Davao. And don't forget home credit installment.